Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making fried chicken wings. Stay tuned if you want to see what go on. Here I have my chicken wings. I'm just going to go ahead and clean them up really well. Poke a few holes so the seasoning and the chicken wings can kind of, marry each other, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to rinse them nice and clean with some water and vinegar. I'm going to go in with some onion paste and my powdered seasoning. As usual, the full recipe will be listed below. When you're using seasonings that are high in salt, you need to watch the amount that you use, and there's usually no need to add salt. Now, don't play with this part. You need to season them well. Massage, a good rubber dub. I'm going to cover this with a plastic wrap and into the fridge for a couple of hours. I'm going to go ahead and season some flour. Don't get skimpy on the seasoning now. You want to eyeball it, but don't get too skimpy. You have all that nice, good seasoning on your chicken. You can't leave your flour bland. No, we need flavor. Now, you see the dry oregano? Let me tell you about it. You know what? Maybe another time. But this right here, I love it. Give that a good mix. You want it to be fully blended. I'm going to put a quarter of that seasoned flour in a separate bowl. I'm going to be making a batter for these wings. Add water gradually. You don't want the batter to be too thick. It's not going to work. You want it to be a bit on the runny side. I'm going to go ahead now and put my chicken wings in the batter. Get that all covered. I want to remove the excess drippings before going over into the dry flour mixture because it's going to get all clumpy and yucky, and you don't want that. Want to make sure your wings are fully coated. Kind of press down, flip them, toss some flour on there, give them a little squeeze here and there. You're gonna get that cornflakes looky thing on the outside. Let me tell you, honey, talk about crunch. Look at that. Just keep going until you're finished, and then all left to do is just to fry up these bad boys and you're done. Now you want to deep fry these on medium heat. You don't want the fire to be too high under them because they will look cooked on the outside, but they'll be raw and bloody on the inside. No, wings don't usually take that long to fry. Probably about 16 minutes the most. And you'll be enjoying nice crunchy wings. These are looking lovely. Probably about 2 more minutes. Now, let's just make a little dip in. I'm gonna go in with some ketchup. Ooh, yes. I got me some chili. Do you love chili sauce? I love me some sweet chili sauce, honey. Gonna put some of that in there. Oh, that's goodness right there. Some hot pepper sauce and give that a quick mix. Oh, this is a quick dip and it's very tasty. The wings are ready. Look at that. No, I didn't use no cornflakes. Look at them. Oh my God. Oh. Ooh, now you can drain these on absorbent paper or wire rack, whatever you choose to do, honey. Just enjoy your wings. Look at that. Thanks again, guys, for watching. See you in the next video.